After a rocky start with the City 100 and 200, Yashica is back with a bold promise, the City 300, a compact camera designed to finally deliver the quality photographers have been waiting for. Let's start with the biggest upgrade, the sensor. The City 300 sports a 1.156-inch CMOS sensor with a whopping 50 megapixels. That's nearly 4 times the resolution of its predecessors, which had a much smaller 13 megapixel sensor. This larger sensor means more light, more detail, and better image quality overall, especially in challenging lighting conditions. Paired with a fast 24mm f.18 lens featuring optical image stabilization, the City 300 aims to rival the main cameras on many mid-range smartphones. But unlike those phones, the City 300 supports RAW files in the popular DNG format, giving photographers much greater control during editing. While it lacks an optical zoom, the 2x digital zoom is available, though keep in mind this reduces your images down to 12 megapixels. Video capabilities are solid too, with 4K recording at 30 frames per second, plus slow motion video in full HD at 120 frames per second. An attachable flash rounds out the kit, ensuring you're ready for low-light shooting without the bulk of a built-in unit. Storage is handled via micro SD cards up to 256 gigabytes, and the battery charges conveniently through a USB-C port on the camera's side. Measuring just 4.2 by 2.4 by 1.8 inches and weighing a mere 6.8 ounces, the City 300 is truly pocket-sized, perfect for everyday carry. Priced at around $420 on Yashica's official store, the City 300 commands a premium over earlier models, but with major improvements in build and image quality, it could finally be worth the investment. Is the Yashica City 300 the compact camera comeback we've been waiting for? Let us know what you think in the comments. If you want to grab one for yourself, just tap the product link right here. It's the easiest way to check the latest price, and it helps support the channel too.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.